Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to see top 5 use cases for payment gateway automations. So here, if you use payment gateway or you have an online business, then this is going to reduce your manual effort with all your daily transactions. So in this video we are going to see top 5 most used use cases in daily life for payment gateways, and we are going to use all these use cases to create some amazing automation with Pabbly Connect. So how we can create all these amazing automation? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see top 5 use cases for payment gateways automations. And in this video, we are going to see that how we can reduce our manual efforts by creating automations for the tasks that we used to do manually or for the repetitive tasks. So all these use cases are around our payment gateways, and these automations are going to save us a lot of time and energy. So imagine running an online business where you process numerous transactions daily, manually handling tasks such as sending payment confirmations, updating accounting records, and managing subscription can be overwhelming and prone to mistakes. Now by automating these processes with Pabbly Connect, we can ensure seamless operations and focus more on growing our business. So here I'm going to build all these automations around my use cases that we use in our daily life. And here I have created all these automations around my payment gateways like Stripe, Razorpay, Instamojo. So here we just need to use Pabbly Connect and we can build all these connections for our payment gateways with all these other applications. So here for using Pabbly Connect, what we need to do is we need to search for pabbly.com/connect in our browser, and this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in this landing page, we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And here this will take us to this dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here I'm going to show you top 5 automations that I have created for the most used use cases for payment gateways. So my first use case is to send confirmation message on WhatsApp for my payments. So here I have used Razorpay as my payment gateway, and you can use any payment gateway for all these automations. So here for example, a customer makes a purchase on my e-commerce website, and as soon as a payment is processed through my payment gateway, here for example I'm using Razorpay, so as I'm going to receive a new payment in Razorpay, then automatically I want to send a confirmation message on WhatsApp for that payment. So here how I'm going to set up this automation, for that what I need to do is I need to set up my trigger and actions. So here in Pabbly Connect I can only set up one trigger step and multiple action steps. So here what are trigger and actions? So trigger and action are my main principle on which my workflow is going to work on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So here in my trigger, I have used Razorpay as my trigger application, and here as I'm going to capture a new payment from Razorpay, then automatically I'm going to send a confirmation message on WhatsApp, and for sending the message on WhatsApp, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API, and WhatsApp Cloud API is an official API platform by Meta. So here in my workflow, what I have done is I have first set up my trigger, and I have received the response of my payment from Razorpay. And as I have received that payment captured response, and in my response, I'm going to receive the amount of my payment. But here, the Razorpay is going to send the amount that I'm going to receive for my payment is going to be in the smallest currency unit. So here, what I have done is I have first used my action application as number formatter by Pabbly. And here by using number formatter by Pabbly, I have changed my currency unit in the required currency unit. And after setting number formatter by Pabbly, what I have done is I have automatically sent a confirmation message by sending a template message on WhatsApp by using WhatsApp Cloud API. So with this automation, I can automatically send confirmation message on WhatsApp for the payment of my payment gateways. So with this automation, it will enhance my customer experience by providing immediate confirmation and receipt of payment, and it will also reduce the number of customer inquiries. Now for my second use case, what I need to do is I need to generate and send invoice on successful Stripe payment. So here for my payment gateway, I have used Stripe, and here what I want to do is I automatically want to create invoice for my Stripe payment, And as I'm going to generate that invoice, then automatically I want to send that via Gmail to my customer. So here I have set up my trigger, and in my trigger application, I have used Stripe, and my trigger event was checkout completed. So with this trigger tab, I have received the response of my payment, and after that I have set up my actions tab. And first I have used number formatter by Pabbly, and again by using number formatter by Pabbly, I'm going to convert my smallest currency unit into the required currency unit that I need for generating a new invoice. So after this, I have used reference, and here I have used reference for generating new invoice, and by using reference, I can either create a taxable invoice or the normal invoice without any tax. So here in my action application, I have used reference, and here my action event was create invoice, and in the last, I have used Gmail for sending the email. So here for example, you are a freelance professional and you want to send an invoice every time they receive a payment for their service. So here with this automation and with this use case, you can save time and ensure that all the payments are properly documented and invoiced, and this will also improve cash flows management. Now for my third use case, what I want to do is that I want to update my HubSpot contact on Stripe payment for new subscription. So here I want to manage my subscription, and I want to update my subscription details for my contact in my CRM application, and here in my CRM application I'm going to use HubSpot. You can also use any CRM application that you use, and here for managing your subscription you can again use any payment gateway that you use. Here I'm using Stripe. So here for example, a subscription based business wants to update customer records in their CRM application whenever a payment is made. So here what I want is that as I'm receiving a new payment for a new subscription from Stripe, then automatically I want to update my customer in my CRM application, and here I'm using HubSpot. So here Pabbly Connect will sync payment data from the payment gateway to the CRM, and it will update the customer payment status and history. So here in my trigger, I'm going to use Stripe, and my trigger event is going to be new subscription. And as my trigger is going to get triggered, then automatically I'm going to search for that contact in my HubSpot CRM. And as I'm going to find that contact in HubSpot CRM, then automatically I'm going to update my contact in HubSpot CRM with my payment details. So this will keep my customer records up to date, and it will enable better customer relationship management and personalized services. So with this automation, I can automatically update my contact with all the subscription detail and all the payment details. So here in my fourth use case, what I want to do is that I want to manage and keep backup or record of all my payment details that I'm going to receive from my payment gateways. So with this use case, I can keep my accounting updated with every transaction. So here what I want is that as I'm going to receive a new payment or a new sale from my payment gateway, then automatically I want to add those details of that payment in Google Sheet. So here in my payment gateway, I have used Instamojo, and here my trigger event was new sale. So as I'm receiving a new payment for a new sale from Instamojo, then automatically I want to add the detail of that new sale or the new payment in Google Sheet. So here with Pabbly Connect, I can integrate my Google Sheet automatically to keep records of every payment, refund, chargeback from my payment gateways. So this will ensure that my financial records are always up to date and accurate, and this will simplify tax preparation and financial reporting. So with this automation, I can keep record of all my payments automatically. Now here for my last use case, what I want to do is that I want to deliver my file to my customer on successful payment. So suppose here I'm selling a digital file like an ebook or any digital product. Now what I want is that as I'm going to receive a new sale for that product, or I'm going to receive a new payment from my payment gateway, then automatically I want to share that file with my customer. So here what I want is that I want to deliver that file via Gmail, WhatsApp, Telegram, or any application that I want from a successful payment. So here in my trigger, I have used Instamojo, and as I'm going to receive a new sale from Instamojo, then automatically I want to share that digital download file with my customer. So here my trigger event was new sale, and after that I have set up my actions tab, and again in actions tab I have used Instamojo to get all the payment details that are required. And with this payment detail, I'm also going to get my customer details. So as I'm going to receive that customer detail from this actions tab, then I'm going to use Google Drive as my action application, and I'm going to make my digital file shareable with anyone. So after making that file shareable, I'm going to get the link of my digital download, and now with this URL of my file, I can share my file or deliver it to my customer on WhatsApp, email, Telegram, or any other application that I want. So like this, I can deliver my digital download files to my customer on every successful payment. So here, these are my top 5 used use cases for my online business. And here I've created these automation related to my payment gateways. So here, by using all these use cases, you can automate your business and you can save tons of time and you can focus on growing your business and take it to next level. So while leveraging Pabbly Connect for automating tasks related to your payment gateways, you can streamline your business operations, reduce manual errors, and provide a better experience for your customer. These automations not only save valuable time, but also ensures consistency, accuracy, managing your financial transactions. So if you want to learn how to set up these automation around these use cases step by step, then what you need to do is you need to just check our video library that we have on our YouTube channel, and you can find all these automations on our YouTube channel. Now you can create all these amazing automation for your payment gateways and you can save a lot of time. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.